Hi, welcome to TechTix tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to access Bing with AI. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Bing AI is actually the main search engine being used here, especially if you're using Microsoft Edge. When you go and search for an item, it automatically will route you or provide you results from Bing. And what you can do here actually is that for you to be able to access AI or chatbot here, you can actually just click on the upper right corner of the screen here on your browser. This is a it's like a left side panel or the right side panel of the screen. You will be able to access ChatGPT or chatbot using language AI model here on Bing. So you can actually adjust as well whether you want it balanced or you want it more creative or you want it more precise with its answer. You can actually modify that here. So you can just click on it depending on how you would like the Bing AI to generate these items for you. So you can type in any generation similar to how other chat GPT works or chatbot works. You just type in and then AI will work on it for you. For example, you will ask for a poem about the ocean, and in a matter of minutes, it will actually be generating you a poem. And there are also, it's more like a conversational as well, since it's more creative. So you actually here, so it provides you a poem about the ocean, is what you asked for. Another thing for you to be able to access here, the chatbot or AI bot here on Bing, is that you can actually go into the address bar and then type in anything that you want to know. For example, what is a poem? And then you just type it in here, and then when you click on enter, you will be routed to the Bing's website where it will provide you all the search results, like this one here. So when you, as you can see here on the upper right corner, you see that there is a box allocated for the chatbot, and it provides you answers there as well. And another thing here is that just right beside the word or the options where you can click the maps images, you can click on chat and it will drop down this chat box for the AI chatbot for them to generate that for you. And that's basically it. That's how you access Bing with AI. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.